Hi folks, just want to do a quick video on how to test a capacitor. In order to do this, you're going to need either a multimeter, a normal multimeter with a capacitance tester on it, or capacitor setting on it, or one of these. I got one of these on eBay. It's something like 15 or 20 euros. Nice and cheap and handy. These two capacitors here come out of my heat pump, my geothermal heat pump. So it was well worth my while buying one of these, so I can test the capacitors myself instead of getting somebody out to do it for me. So this is the run capacitor, and this one is, you can see, 50 UF on this one, and this is the start capacitor. This is between 200 and 250 UF. So in order to test these, let's start with the start capacitor. When you're doing a reading or doing a test on the start capacitor, your reading should be between whatever it says on the label, between whatever number. So this here says between 200 and 250. So my reading needs to be between 200 and 250. Then for the run capacitor, on the run capacitor it says 50 UF plus or minus 5%. So the reading needs to be 5% of 50 over or under 50 UF. So 5% of 50 is 2.5. So my reading needs to be 2.5 below 50 or 2.5 over 50. And if it goes beyond or below that, then you need to replace your capacitor. So I'm looking for a reading here of between 47.5 and 52.5. So I'll just plug the wires into this meter now, and we'll try them. So let's start with the run capacitor, and we'll see what reading we get. It doesn't matter what ends you put the black and red to what connections here. It doesn't really matter, whatever you want yourself. Touch one end, touch the other end, and we're getting a reading of 44. So that's below the 47.5. That's below the 5% of 50. So this capacitor needs to be changed. This one's gone. You can also probably see there's a little bulge on the top there. So that's some indication that this one is gone as well. They tend to bulge as well if they're gone. So we'll try the start capacitor and see what reading we get in it. Now we need to get between 200 and 250 on this reading. And again, it doesn't matter. Either wire on each one, it doesn't matter. And that's going way off the scale. So this one is gone as well. That should stop between 200 and 250. So these two capacitors need to be replaced for the heat pump. So just another note I should say before, when you take this out of your heat pump or whatever it is, air conditioning unit, you should get a screwdriver to discharge it, because these could give you a nasty shock if you don't. So just simply place one end of screwdriver on that on one side, and then touch the other end on the other side, and that'll discharge it, and it'll save you getting a shock. So that's how you test a capacitor. It's fairly simple. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. If this video was any help, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.